Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel a sent friend request on Facebook. Let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then, look for the three horizontal lines and tap on them. On an iPhone, you'll find this icon in the bottom right corner, and on other devices, it's in the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Friends. Then tap on See All next to Friend Requests. If you don't have any pending requests, just tap on Requests at the top of the screen. Find and tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and at the bottom of the menu, tap on View Sent Requests. Here, you'll see the list of sent requests. Find the friend request you want to cancel. Finally, tap on Cancel below the name of the person whose request you want to cancel. Remember, you can only cancel a request if it hasn't been accepted yet. Once it's accepted, the option to cancel it will disappear. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.